You ever have one of those moments where you check your bank account and think, wait, why is there more money here than last month? And then your next thought is, cool, what bill did I forget? Yeah, that moment right there is closer to financial progress than most people realize. My name is
Roland,
and I spend way too much time thinking about how money grows and why people don't notice it when it does. If you're someone who works hard, saves a bit, but still feels like your money isn't really doing anything yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing most people get wrong. They think the moment their money starts working for them is dramatic, like dividends replacing their paycheck or waking up rich. That's not how it happens. The first year your money works without you is quiet, almost disappointing. And that's exactly why people miss it. Look, historically, the stock market has returned about 7 to 10% per year over the long run. That's not a hype stat. That's straight from sources like Vanguard and Fidelity. So let's keep it boring and realistic. Say you've invested $10,000. At 7%, that's about $700 in a year. $700 won't change your life. It barely changes your month. And psychologically, that's a problem. Because your brain goes, why am I even doing this? You worked all year, saved thousands, and your investments added groceries. But here's what most people don't realize. That $700 required zero extra effort. No overtime, no side hustle, no stress. It just showed up. Fast forward a few years, now you've got $50,000 invested. Same boring 7%, that's $3,500 a year. That's rent for some people. That's a flight, insurance, and groceries combined. And once again, you didn't do anything new. This is where it gets really interesting. Our brains are wired to value effort, not leverage. Psychologists call this effort bias. We overvalue money we grind for and undervalue money that compounds quietly. So even when your investments start contributing 20 or 30% of your annual progress, it still feels underwhelming. Now, you might be thinking, Nick, that's still not freedom. And you're right, but it's proof. Proof that money can move without you pushing it every single time. Think of it like pushing a stalled car. At first, you're straining, sweating, barely getting it to move. Then suddenly, it starts rolling. You're still involved, but now the car is helping you. That first roll is the first year your money works without you. So here's what to do. First, separate your investment growth mentally from your savings. Notice it. Second, automate everything so progress doesn't rely on motivation. Third, stop expecting excitement. Compounding is boring before it's powerful. And finally, give it time. Not because time is magical, but because math needs room to work. Wealth isn't built in dramatic moments. It's built in the years you almost quit because it didn't feel worth it. That quiet year, the one where your money helps just a little, is the year everything changes.